Hello guys, welcome back to English by Chef Chami. Today I am going to make hummus and pita bread. Let's begin. First, let's make the hummus. I'm using cooked chickpeas. If you are using canned chickpea like me, drain, rinse and strain them. Also, you can remove the skin for an extra smooth texture. It's optional but worth it. If you are using raw chickpeas, soak them overnight and cook for about an hour until soft. Now into a blender, add the chickpeas, chop garlic, Tahina paste, lemon juice, olive oil. Blend everything well. If it feels too thick, don't worry, use a spatula to scrape down the sides and keep blending. Once it starts to come together, add salt, ice water. Blend again until it's smooth and creamy, and that's it. Our hummus is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and pop it in the chiller while we work on the pita bread. Now for the pita bread, in a mixing bowl, combine yeast, sugar, warm water. Whisk until the yeast dissolves. Then cover the bowl with cling film and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to activate. Once it's ready, add flour, salt, mix it well. Then knead the dough by hand for about 5 minutes until it's soft and smooth. Cover it with a clean cloth and let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. After an hour, uncover the dough, knead it briefly. And divided it into 4 equal pieces. Shape each pieces into a ball using the techniques I'm showing here. Cover the dough balls with a cloth and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Now let's shape our pita bread. Start by flattening each ball with hands. Then use a rolling pin to roll them into your desired size. To cook, heat a saute pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with olive oil. Place a piece of dough in the pan and cook until it's golden on one side and puffing up. Flip it over and cook the other side. Once done, transfer the pita to a plate and cover it with a cloth to keep it fresh and soft. Repeat with the remaining dough. Time to plate the hummus. Spoon it into a serving bowl. Then garnish with a few whole chickpeas, a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika powder. If you have it, you can also add some sumac powder and chop parsley for extra flavor and color. Serve your creamy hummus with warm fresh pita bread. It's simple, delicious and perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Super Chef Chami for more recipes. See you in the next video.